Hey guys, this is a quick video on the 3 steps to build wealth. Step 1 is earn income. Alright, if you don't have any money coming in, then you can't build wealth. And a job is exchanging your time for money. So go get a job, give somebody your time, they're gonna give you some money. Owning your own business is still exchanging time for money, except the growth potential is much larger, but there's also a higher risk. But somehow you've gotta make some money. Step 2 is to save money. You've gotta keep some of it. If you're spending all of your money, you're not able to build wealth. You could make $1 million a year and not be wealthy if you also spend $1 million. And what some people do is when they make $1 million, they might spend $1.5 million and actually be in debt. So just because you have a high income doesn't mean you're wealthy. You have to create margin. You have to spend less than you make. That's how you're gonna be able to build wealth. With step 3, which is invest. So if you have money that you set aside from your income or from your business, then you're gonna use that money to invest. Put that money to work for you. Learn to invest. There's a lot of different ways to invest your money. So find something that resonates with you and learn as much as you can and start that process. You're gonna make some mistakes in the beginning and that's okay, but just start to learn to invest. Create that habit now and it'll serve you well as you get older. People usually talk about buying stocks or mutual funds or index funds. All right, learn about that stuff so that you can be a smart investor, but also realize that's not the only way that you can invest. You can invest in other things and you can invest in yourself by paying for courses and books and learning more things to add value to you as well. So don't just think investing is only buying stocks. That is a great way to invest, but not the only way to invest. Or again, you can invest in a business or in your own business and then use that to create additional streams of revenue, which goes back to step 1, which is create income. The simple equation here is earn income, save money, and invest it. And if you do those 3 things, eventually it's just gonna cycle. Your investments will start to make money too, and then you just reinvest that, and all of these things will over time build wealth. So the specific strategies can get a little more complicated, but I want you to know that you can do this. You are smart enough, you are talented enough, you are brave enough to become wealthy. So start with step 1, then move to step 2, then move to step 3, and continue to invest in yourself and learn as much as you can about these categories through things like this, like a YouTube video. You don't have to spend money, you don't have to get a college degree, all right? Just consume information and learn all that you need to do, and then just take the steps, turn them into action. Don't just collect knowledge. If it doesn't turn into action, then nothing's gonna change. Simple equation, earn, save, invest, and you will be wealthy. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Check out some of my other videos here. You can also look down here for playlists or just head straight to the channel. Remember, money management is a mindset. Stay empowered, and we will see you next time.